So this is my first experience on the Snap-on truck. I actually bought these today. He had this set and these four wrenches at 50% off, so I thought that was a really good deal. So I ended up spending about $300 for everything here. Now you might be curious what these are good for. So uh, this set right here is going to be your the 7-piece open-end 4-way Engel head wrench set. Now, what I'm going to end up using these for is mainly on hydraulics. These are have just the right angle where they can get into some really narrow areas on things like bobcats and excavators and rollers. Something else that came in the mail was I got a 3 more batteries for my GoPro and a charger. So now I have plenty of extra battery time to be recording very good content for you guys in the near future. Expect big things. Since I did get that job at Caterpillar, we're going to be setting my box up the way that I need it to be set up with the tools just like these. I'm going to be buying just specific tools for the job set. So it's going to be awesome. And stay tuned for bigger and better things. You know who it is. Eddie from 802 Diesel Crew, signing out.